come back with another video. Finna do a fuel pump on this truck. This is how it is on most trucks. Finna show you the general tools you need. You need a Phillips head, a flat head, some needle nose pliers, some regular pliers. On this particular one, to take the bolts out of bed, you need a T55 bit because it's a Ford Ranger. I also got a Phillips head on my DeWalt drill. And then I got some pliers right there. All right. Real easy though. We're gonna pick the bed up and set it so you can get to the fuel pump. You gotta take the tail lights out first. It's a couple bolts to take the tail lights out. You unplug them, and I'll be back with you when the tail lights removed. All right, the tail lights removed. The wire's hanging. You're gonna push it through the bottom. Then we're finna set the bed. You don't gotta take the bumper off or none of that. We're just gonna set the bed. You're finna see. All right, hold on. All right, we set the bed. The bed's on the tires, and giving that access to the fuel pump. I forgot to say we about to take in where you put the fuel in at. In this case, it's 3 bolts to take the fuel hose loose. We went ahead and took it loose, so we're finna take the fuel pump out. All you need is a flathead and hammer and tap it light. So this right here can come off, and take all these off. We already did it. It only takes a second. Use a flathead to pop these off, pop those off, pop that off, and you take this right here loose because that gives access to the wiring for the fuel pump. See, just that easy. Untwist this. See, this one you need to hit that hard to take it loose. And guess what? Fuel pump. That right there. That is. Put the fuel pump out. Make sure no dirt get down in there. Right, let's move these out of the way. This all part of the fuel pump. Alright. Put the fuel pump all the way out. Alright. The fuel pump's out. As you can see, there's a fuel pump. Okay, before we put this new fuel pump in, you gotta replace this ring. Alright. This right here. This is the ring for it can get some kind of suction. So it'll be airtight. I'm gonna put the other one right up there. And you see it's the same on both sides. It really don't matter how you put it on there. Just make sure you get on there with no dirt. All right, you put that on there. And then move those to the side. Then we're gonna drop the new fuel pump in. Don't do that. No, you gotta put that in first. That right there, the first little part we put in, it lets you know how it's a fuel level sensor. So I'm gonna put that in there. Drop it in there nice and neat. It's all right. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Whole thing down in there. Don't do too much. Hold on. All right, you gotta make sure you get it aligned right. And at this time, you wanna tighten this back up and make sure it suctions again. Make sure it's evenly put on there. The fuel pump, make sure it's lined up. And twist it down. And your fuel pump's in. Put these on. Put that on. Alright, I'm finna tighten it up. Give me about 2 seconds. Don't make any sense to show that on video, but you're gonna turn it. And I'm gonna turn it like that. And we're gonna tighten it up. Alright. Alright, you wanna make sure it's nice and tight when you actually do go around. Alright. Then we're gonna start plugging everything back up. And plug it back up. This goes right there. This goes right there. That goes right there. And you want to make sure this is free. Alright, let's put it around there. And push it back a little bit. It keeps getting caught. Put that in there. We're going to make sure these is all the way out. So when it does go on there, there you go. Push it all the way on there. And this is to make sure that it don't come back out. That's on there. We got 2 more pieces just like that to put on. And that is done. Okay, we're gonna plug it back up. Am I going in here wrong? All right, everything buttoned up. You button everything up. Lock it all in place. Then start the car. Start right up. Most times you gotta prime it for about 3 or 4 turn-ons and offs. You know, turn the key. Don't turn it all the way on. Turn it off. Turn it back. Turn the key on. Don't start the car and turn it off. And there you go. Now we're finna button everything back up. Put the bed back on. I'll show you a couple of those so you can see the bolts go back in. All right.
Do it. Just do it.
All right. The tail lights back in. Okay. And really, we didn't really. All we gotta do is put the bolts back in. That's it. Gonna show y'all putting the bolts back in. All right. Bed back on. Locking them down. Locking them bad boys back down. I know y'all want to see this. I'm just gonna show y'all. That's all we did. Change a fuel pump. Seriously. Whatever, like 10 minutes. We can max out and say 15. You got a truck and you take longer than to do that? You got a truck and you take longer to do you take longer than 15, 20 minutes to do a fuel pump, man? Something wrong. I can understand you got some rusty bolts. Hey, you got something wrong. You probably not a mechanic. You might be a parts changer. What you think? We're gonna fire it up one more time for you. And y'all just tell me, what do you think? What do you think? What's your opinion? 15, 20 minutes on the truck. Crank right up. Ain't nothing wrong with it. You know, hey, all the bolts in the back, the bed. Come on, man. Some people gotta do better than what they doing. Quick and easy. Fuel pump.